Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be answering the question that's been on a lot of people's minds lately: is Novo Bank international? Before we get into the answer, let's take a step back and talk about what Novo Bank is. Novo Bank is a neobank, which is a type of bank that is primarily online. Neobanks are typically much cheaper than traditional banks, and they offer a variety of features that are not available at traditional banks. Now, back to the question, is Novo Bank international? The answer is yes. Novo Bank is available in a number of countries around the world, including the United States, United Kingdom, Australia, Canada, and Mexico. So, if you're looking for an international bank that is affordable and offers a variety of features, Novo Bank is a great option. In addition to being international, Novo Bank also offers a number of other benefits, including no monthly fees. Most banks charge a monthly fee for you to use their services. However, Novo Bank does not charge any monthly fees. Free ATM withdrawals. With Novo Bank, you can withdraw money from any ATM in the world for free. High-interest savings accounts. Novo Bank offers high-interest savings accounts, which can help you grow your money faster. Cashback rewards. Novo Bank offers a number of cashback rewards programs, which can help you save money on everyday purchases. Early direct deposit. With Novo Bank, you can get your direct deposit up to 2 days early. 24/7 customer support. Novo Bank offers 24/7 customer support, so you can get help whenever you need it. Overall, Novo Bank is a great option for anyone looking for an affordable and convenient international bank. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos on personal finance and banking. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.